What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be doing yet another LED switch out video, but we are going to be switching out all the interior bulbs from the halogen to the LEDs to match them all up with the outside bulbs. So we're going to be switching out the ones up here, the reader lights. We're also going to switch out the little glove box light there, the dome light at the back, and we're gonna do the little lights down here, the little footlights inside the truck. So we're gonna be using the same brand bulbs that we have been with the exterior ones. These are the 194 bulbs, same ones that we used for the plate lights, and these are the 44M canvas lights that we're going to be using for the little dome light at the back. Those are a different brand, those are Sirius LED. So hopefully these will work just as well as the Oxito ones did. This is a very basic install, just like all the other ones. You don't really need any tools, but it would be really helpful if you had some trim pulling pieces and just some needle nose to pull out the halogen bulbs, because they're going to be pretty hot when you go to pull them out. So I'm going to walk you through this. It's really simple. That's the Corvette right there. She's pretty badass. But anyway, yep, very simple. So let's get to it. We'll start with these up here. Really all you got to do is just kind of pry the side off right here with the trim pulling piece. It'll just pull down and it'll expose the bulb up in there. Then you just got to switch them out. Alrighty, I'll show you. There you go. So you see it's just kind of sitting up in there. And you can't really see it. It's kind of shitty. There you go. And then just switch it out with one of these 194 bulbs. And just get one of these. You can kind of see like the groove in there. It just goes straight up in there. Look at that. Real simple. One hand. There it is. And then you just put the cover back on. Down there. And would you look at that? That's a good comparison of the two right there. Super simple. Now let's move on to a little glove compartment light. Same concept. Just use a little trim pull piece. Pull this little thing out right here. It'll unslide and then you can just switch out the bulb. Nice and bright. Get that little bastard back in there. There you go. That's how you switch out now. gonna do the little driver's side first because it's a little bit simpler. You can see it here. Got the little trim piece right there. Basically pop it down. It's got a little tab that you can disconnect. Alright. See, it's just one of like those little push in, pull down situations. It's just hard to do with one hand. It's gonna release this. It's really hot, by the way. And you can kind of take this little dome cap cover off, and there's the LED in there. So I mean, technically you can do it with this still connected here, but this just makes it a little bit easier. So let's jump up here again. I'm gonna switch this out. Grab that little bulb in there. This one's pretty. There you go. Grab one of our LEDs. Fit it in there, just like so. Let's see if it works. Come back down here. Plug the harness back in. And boom. Perfect. Put the little cap back on. And then it goes right into this hole right next to the OBD2 port. Right up in there. Perfect. Now on the passenger side, you can see we have this kind of little piece covering it here. So it's not as easy, but you can, it still has the same cap. So you could pop it off and just pull the LED out of there if you want. Or if you have a trim piece or a trim puller tool, you can just pull this down and get behind it under there. But I think I'm just gonna do it this way this time. Easy enough. Dome cover back on it. There you go. Now, those are the dome lights, or not the dome lights, the footlights completed. So now we're going to use these and do the rear dome light. So this one's super simple as well. Just use a puller piece, get on the side of that right there, or from right there. Pull it out, it'll expose the bulb, and then you just replace it, you put the cover back on, and that's it. There you go, that'll expose it. Use some pliers to pull it out because it's going to be real hot. Go, you can see it's one of those right there. Let's throw it in there with the rest. Let's get these open. There it is. The 44M canvas resistor bulb. And then it just kind of slots into that right there. Look at that, instant. There we go. And there it is. So, those lights, those up there, those down by the feet, and in the glove box. All in about 15 minutes for about $20. Super inexpensive mod to do. Really good for beginners, you know, to get your feet wet with modding. could do this no problem. You don't really need any tools. I would definitely recommend it. I've had good luck with all these Exito bulbs. I've been running them now for about, I'd say about 3 weeks. Still running fine, no errors. So yep, let's fast forward to nighttime so I can get you some better, better images of this at night. All right, here we go. It's a little bit darker outside now. Of course, an airplane's flying over as soon as I come out. There we go. Definitely a lot brighter in here now. Check it out in there too. Little footlights down here. Oh, look at that. Matches up there. The LEDs back here. Factory mirror lights. Oh yeah, it looks good. So yep, I hope you enjoyed this little DIY series, switching out all the halogen bulbs to LEDs. If you like what you watched, stay tuned for more. I appreciate all the support, guys. Have a good one. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, I'm filming this on Super Bowl Sunday, so go Rams. Fuck the Patriots.